Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the three things that you're going to need to make money online. And these three things you're going to need before you even start thinking about uh, what you're going to do to even make money online. You got to have these things in place before you even start, because without these things, a lot of it will start to fall apart. Uh, well, the third one, maybe not so much. You can do that after you figure out what you're gonna do. But the first two you're definitely gonna need before you start doing whatever you're gonna be doing to make money online. So this is gonna be one of the mindset episodes in our educational journey, and the three things that I'm gonna mention today, I myself is still working on, and the last one I still have a hard time doing. But when we get there, there's some positive things in that little bullet point. So the first thing you're gonna need is a why. Why are you trying to make money online? And this why can't be like a shallow why, like because I want money or I like money. Because that why is not strong enough. It has to be ironclad. Because the world doesn't take kindly to people who don't want to live the status quo life, like the 9 to 5 job thing. The world likes to throw curveballs at you when you start this online business adventure, and it will throw curveballs at you. So you're going to need a why that's strong enough that will hold up to all the criticism and all the naysayers that are going to come around. Because if your why is not strong enough, you're going to end up not doing whatever it is that you want to do. And this goes for a lot of things in life, not only building a internet business, but I mean, for anything that you want to do, if your why is not strong enough for you to do it, you tend to just not do it because there are other things that take priority over it. So you got to make sure that the why that you have is strong enough. So for example, my why is because I just don't want to be in the rat race anymore, and I have a kid, and I really want to spend time with him. And right now I'm working two jobs, and that leaves me with very little time to spend with him, and he's growing up, and I want to be there for him when he's old enough for him to remember that I'm there. And this why is not entirely ironclad yet. I'm still working on it, but I'm hoping that I can push through and continue to do the next two things that are needed to make money online. The second thing you're going to need are goals. And yeah, I'm sure you've heard this before. You always got to set goals, and setting goals is a good thing for anything. But a lot of people just don't really do it because it takes time and effort, and people just don't want to do the time and effort, which goes back to number one, your why. So your why has to be strong enough to make you do these things. You know, there's a saying that change only happens when the pain of not making that change is greater than the pain of doing the thing that you want to do. So your why has to be strong enough to make you move, and setting goals actually helps you. It's solidify your why, and it protects your why from all the naysayers, because now not only do you have the why, you have goals that you're trying to reach and accomplish. And as you start accomplishing these goals, it gives you faith in what you're doing and that the thing that you're doing is working. So by setting goals, you strengthen your why. And make big goals, make huge goals, but also make tiny goals, baby steps, as Dave Ramsey likes to call his debt freedom thing, calls them baby steps, because you got to baby step into it. Because if you make a big huge goal, trying to go from 0 to 100 is gonna scare the crap out of you. So you gotta just make big goals, but make little goals in between, so you can baby step up to it. So my goal, for example, is to make $5,000 a month. Now, I know I'm not gonna make it tomorrow, or maybe even this month, but that's one of my goals, and I'm gonna try and reach that goal maybe in the next 90 days. So that's something I can shoot for. Also, without goals, you're just throwing mud at the wall in the dark, and you don't even know if you're gonna hit the wall. You might hit the wall, you might miss the wall, but as long as you know what you're shooting for, you have some semblance of where you're going. And the last thing that you're gonna need to make money online is to take consistent action. And this one is probably the one I have the most trouble with. Because it goes back to the first point. My why was always not strong enough to take action and to have the belief that I could do this and to push forward. But if you're watching this video, that means I'm taking action, and that's a positive for me. It's also positive for you, because you also are taking action, because you're trying to learn what you need to do to make money online. And that's one step. The next step you're going to have to take is to actually do something that will actually help you make money online. And we'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, you need to take consistent action. Every day you need to be doing something that will make you money. So either setting new goals, pushing new promotions, or finding items that you could sell. All those things you can do. Just do one thing. All you need to do is do one thing every day, consistently, and you're going to start making money. It will happen. It might not happen the next day, but it's going to happen at some point. And as long as you keep doing actions consistently, you're going to create a habit, and it'll just become a normal thing, and you're going to make money normally. So those are the three things that you're going to need. One, you're going to need a why, a strong why. Two, you're going to need some goals to hit, because you need to know where you're going. And three, you're going to need to take consistent action. So good job for watching this video, because you've done number 3 and you started to take action. Now you actually need to take that full step forward and start figuring out what you're going to do and how you're going to do it. And we'll talk about that next time. So, this is Colonel XF. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed what we talked about, click the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. And hit the notification button to get notifications when I post my next video. And also, if you're not sure what you want to do yet, or how you're going to do it, check out the link below in the description to see the system that I'm using to do this make money online thing, which we'll go over next time. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.